Hello, boys and girls. My name is Connor, and today I'll be doing a story time for World Oceans Day. As you might have known, we've all spent a lot of time at home the past couple of weeks, the past couple of months, and I'm sure that you've read almost every book that you have at home. I know I have. And I was looking for a way to make my own story up and to make up a story with you, boys and girls, and to show you how that you can make a story at home all by yourselves. So I have made here on these pieces of paper on the other side, I have made lots and lots of pictures of things you might find in the ocean or in Antarctica. And I want to see if I can make a story using these characters, but on the spot without knowing what's going to come next. So, are you ready to do that with me? All right. Now the top picture that I'm going to unveil here is going to be the hero of our story. And today the hero of our story is... it's a turtle. So I will put that right up here, and this will be the hero of our story. Our turtle needs a name. What's a good name for a turtle? How about Tuesday? How about Tuesday the turtle? So we have Tuesday the turtle and his best friend, which is a treasure chest. Tuesday the turtle's best friend is a treasure chest. Not sure how that happened, but we'll see. So Tuesday and his friend Thomas the treasure chest. I wonder if Thomas can talk. Do you think Thomas can talk? Tuesday is swimming around with his friend Thomas the treasure chest, and they're looking around when they saw a new person, a person they'd never seen before, and that was an octopus. So they ran into an octopus, and they wanted to make a new friend. So they swam up to the octopus, and when they said hello, well, they waved the octopus over to them because Thomas the treasure chest isn't very good at swimming. But when they waved the octopus over to them, they said hello, and they asked him what his name was. He said nothing. He just waved all 8 of his tentacles, and he swam away. How do you think that made Thomas and Tuesday feel? So Tuesday said, "What do you think was wrong, Thomas?" And they tried to think up a game that they could play with the octopus. What do you think the octopus would like to play? Maybe they could be a good goalkeeper at soccer or at football because they have so many arms. And so they got a football that they found at the bottom of the ocean, and they waved Thomas back over. They waved the octopus back over there. The octopus came back over. They showed him the football, and he just waved all his tentacles again, and they swam away. They were running out of ideas. So while they were looking for one more game to play, suddenly a very evil, whatever I take out next of this, of my stack here, is going to be the bad guy, is going to be the evil thing. The very evil, oh no, scuba diver. The very evil scuba diver came and tried to take away Thomas the treasure chest. That makes sense, right? So the very evil scuba diver came down trying to take the treasure chest. The turtle tried to swim at the scuba diver to show him, no, don't take away my friend, but he couldn't. He wasn't strong enough, and the scuba diver wasn't scared of him. And so the scuba diver was taking away lots and lots of the gold and the diamonds from Thomas the treasure chest when finally the octopus came back and waved all 8 of its tentacles at the scuba diver. I don't know what you would do if an octopus was waving all of its tentacles at you, but I would definitely swim away as fast as I could. And that's exactly what the scuba diver did. He went away as fast as he possibly could. Tuesday came back and said thank you to the octopus, and the octopus once again waved all of his 8 tentacles at him and swam away. Tuesday and Thomas the treasure chest never did play a game with the octopus, but the octopus was very, very nice for protecting him, and they were thankful to have met him on that day. That's the story I came up with. Do you think it's good? Do you think you can make a better one? The other things that I have here in the stack that we could have seen, there's a whale, or an orca. There's a clownfish. There's... oh, I see this one. There's a bunch of penguins. There's a polar bear. What else? I have a crab here. And I think the last one I have... oh, I have a yellow submarine. And I could have sworn I had, no, I guess that's all I have here. I think this story could have gone a lot of different directions, and if I just take these pieces of paper, these drawings that I've made, and I put them back in the stack, and I mix them up again, I'm sure every single time I put them up here, I'll be able to come up with a new story. Now, this is something I could do with my mom and dad at home, or you could do with your mom and dad at home. I could do with my friends, or I could see if I really like a story that I come up with, I could start drawing the book myself. I could make Thomas the treasure chest and Tuesday the turtle playing with one another, saying hello to the octopus. The scuba diver comes in, and I can make my very own book and show it to the people in my life. And I think that'd be very fun to do, and I'm sure they would be very happy to see it. That's just one thing I think you could do at home and tell your own ocean stories. And I hope you have as much fun as I have. Thanks a lot.